Here's the departure message for the down postal.
Right, thank you.
Okay.
Crew control, Houston Tillinger. 157 Postal, left at 8:30. Class 6 engine, 340 tons, 12 vehicles.
8:30 p.m. Weekdays and Sundays. The down postal special leaves Euston for Glasgow, Edinburgh and Aberdeen. The postal special is a fast express, but it carries no passengers. It is manned by 40 post office workers. 500,000 letters are sorted, picked up or dropped at full speed during the night, or carried on for the morning delivery in Scotland.
Attention beat. Attention beat received. Can you take postal special? Can take postal special. Can you take postal special? Line clear.
That'll be the postal, mate.
Well on time and all, ain't you, Joe?
Every year. 500 million letters every year.
That's you, Harry. You left to shunt the local. I've got the postal on. Righto.
How long do we wait here? Oh, about a couple of minutes, mate, while the postal special goes by. Here you are, here she comes.
He's opened it tonight, mate.
Yeah. Trains from Lincolnshire and Derbyshire connect at Tamworth. Trains from Warwickshire and Leicestershire connect at Rugby. At 34 points between London and Glasgow, postmen wait with local mails to deliver them to the postal special. The mails have been roughly sorted by districts. The postmen set up a net to catch the mails dropped by the train. They strap up the mail bags in strong leather pouches.
There's something in these bags, all right, Bert? Must be old Fred's coupon night.
The pouches are fixed to a standard by a spring clip. A net is swung out from the train as it approaches the standard. The impact releases the spring clip and the pouches are swept into the train. Those letters were posted in Bletchley half an hour ago. Crewe, the main junction for the Midlands. Trains from Bristol, Cardiff, Manchester, Stoke, Liverpool and Birmingham bring 1,000 bags of mails for the north between 10:57 and 11:39 p.m.
Running late. Will you hold the postal?
I will hold her 4 minutes.
4 minutes?
Aye.
Right.
The control room. Expresses are reported at regular intervals.
Yes? Down platform here. The post office want to hold the postal 4 minutes extra. Can we do it?
Just a moment. How's the down postal running?
She's on time, due any minute.
That'll be all right. 4 minutes.
The scheduled stop for the postal special is 13 minutes. 500 bags must be unloaded, 1,000 loaded, engines changed, and some of the English crew exchanged for Scots.
Come and give it down for this Scot.
Hey, come on, let's have it in. You want my dinner? You're welcome. There you are, there's the wrong. Lead! On the wrong barrel. Yes, CPO!
Well, Charlie, what about the Alex now?
Come on. There's no water for the jocks to see.
I know. The postal's in.
Right you are. Where's my bag?
Good night, go.
Cheerio. Have a good holiday. Good night.
Fancy being beaten by Chester. Morning, Jock.
Morning.
Good morning, Joe.
Morning.
Good morning. Hope you enjoy your tea.
I know what that means. No water. Stay on.
Scotch bar.
What's that bottle you've got, Irish?
Hey, somebody got there. Down out of there. Go. Mind your back, please. for that dolly extra.
Wonder what he thinks we're doing, playing push, ain't he?
Back up for the Irish. Headway there. Just a lass. Aye, this is a lot.
About time, Jim, I'm fed up with this.
That'll do.
Go on away.
With 100 tons of new letters to sort. The Postal Special picks up and distributes the mails of industrial England. The mines of Wigan. The steel works of Warrington. And the machine shops of Preston.
Bill, first division, coming over.
And again, Bill.
Harry, second division. Another one. First division, coming over.
Oh, buddy, what's the game? Turn it up. Oh, Graham.
There are 7 sorting vans on the Postal Special. Each sorter has 48 pigeonholes, each representing a town. The packets are sorted separately. As the train progresses, the names, scribbled in chalk over the pigeonholes, have to be changed. When a pigeonhole is filled, the letters are tied in a bundle. The bundles are put into the label bags hanging behind the sorters. When the bag is full, it is tied, labelled and sealed, ready for dispatch by apparatus or at the next stop.
Anybody know Dale Garrett?
What?
Dale Garrett.
Not on this division.
Welsh, I think. Have a look at the guide. Well, what's the trouble? Badly addressed. Harold Garrick. Flowers. Thanks. Don't come in anyhow nowadays.
Ah, well, makes a nice change for you.
Place these over, covering the bags, see? Then you do your cross straps up.
All tight.
Oh, it doesn't matter about them being tight. The main strap will tighten them up when she goes out. And then you put the other flaps over, seeing that the main strap's in the centre of the pouch. Then you secure the pouch up, and it's all ready for dispatch. Go on, Paul, for you. Got that all right, have you?
I think I got that okay.
Righto, then.
Seems easy enough.
We'll soon get on with it.
More about it.
Here's the carnfuls.
Carnful? One full pouch.
How are you getting on, lad? Not too bad. I'm a bit nervy, you know. I think I'll get over it. Oh, yes, you'll be all right. Yes, I'm hoping so. Must have been mastering it out first. Quite different with the office.
First division, coming over. Another one. Coming over.
Any more for Carnful?
News all the way. Any letters for Carnful? Letters all the way. That's the lot. Take it away, sonny boy.
Righto, handsome. That's the lot.
All right, you get on with the big stuff. We're out now? No. You want 2 bridges and 45 beats. One, two.
Grierson, Whitney's Liverpool and Huddersfield.
About time. Where have you been?
Give us a chance. We had 7 pouches in.
This is the night mail crossing the border, bringing the check and the postal order, letters for the rich, letters for the poor, the shop at the corner and the girl next door, pulling up beat took a steady climb, the gradients against her, but she's on time. Past cotton grass and moorland boulder, shoveling white steam over her shoulder, snorting noisily as she passes, silent miles of wind-bent grasses. Birds turn their heads as she approaches, stare from the bushes at her blank-faced coaches. Sheepdogs cannot turn her course, they slumber on with paws across. In the farm she passes, no one wakes, but a jug in a bedroom gently shakes. Dawn freshens. The climb is done.
Down towards Glasgow she descends. Towards the steam tugs, yelping down the glade of cranes. Towards the fields of apparatus, the furnaces, set on the dark plain like gigantic chessmen. All Scotland waits for her. In the dark glens, beside the pale green sea lochs, men long for news.
Letters of thanks, letters from banks, letters of joy from the girl and the boy, receipted bills and invitations to inspect new stock or to visit relations, and applications for situations and timid lovers, declarations and gossip from all the nations, news circumstantial, news financial, letters with holiday snaps to enlarge in, letters with faces scrawled in the margin, letters from uncles, cousins and aunts, letters to Scotland from the south of France, letters of condolence to Highlands and Lowlands, notes from overseas to Hebrides, written on paper of every hue, the pink, the violet, the white and the blue, the chatty, the catty, the boring, adoring, the cold and official, all the hearts outpouring, clever, stupid, short and long, the typed and the printed and the spelt all wrong.
Thousands are still asleep, dreaming of terrifying monsters, or a friendly tea beside the band at Cranston's or Crawford's. Asleep in working Glasgow, asleep in well-set Edinburgh, asleep in granite Aberdeen. They continue their dreams. But shall wake soon and long for letters, and none will hear the postman's knock without a quickening of the heart, for who can bear to feel himself forgotten?
Yeah.